Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway Classics, and today we will be driving a beautiful maroon 81 Z28 Camaro. And this thing is fresh, 73,000 miles, beautiful red maroonish interior. Looks like this thing hasn't even been touched before. Blowing cold AC, got your radio, all dashes on the gauge work. Let's give her a little ride. Runs great, smooth transmission, nice steering, brake stop straight. Come check this car out at Skyway Classics. This is a rider. Making nice sounds. This is something that you'd want to come here and check out. 81 maroon Z28. It looks everywhere in this car. Skyway Classics, Bradenton.